In this video, we will show you the different ways to create an invoice. We start with the first one. On the home screen, click the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Invoice.
The invoice creation screen will open.
In the Customers section, select the user you want to invoice. If they don't exist in your list, you can create them by clicking the Add New button.
A form will open on the right where you enter all the customer's details, such as name, phone, email, among others, and save it.
Now, you have the invoice with basic information. Next, you can choose the payment terms, the invoice date, and the due date. In the Product or Service box, select the item. Enter the description, quantity, and price. In these boxes, you can write any message to your customer, and even select a file with any document or image you want to attach to the invoice. Finally, you have various options to save, send, share the link, or send it via WhatsApp. The second way is by selecting Customers on the left sidebar. A new window opens where you choose the user you want to invoice and click on Create Invoice. The document appears with all its information, so you only need to select the product or service, write the description, quantity, and price, and finally, save it. Another way to create an invoice is by clicking on Sales. Select New Transaction and then Invoices. Here, you can choose the customer from the drop-down menu or create a new one. Just like in the previous processes, you select the product, the description, quantity, amount, and save it. We continue with the creation of quotes or estimates. Click on New, and then select Estimate. The document opens, and you select the customer. Next, just like in the Invoice module, you search for the product, enter the quantity, price, and save it. The second way is by clicking on Sales. Then, you click on New Transaction, Estimate, and here you follow the same steps as before. Lastly, you can also create an estimate by selecting Clients, checking the appropriate box, and creating the estimate.